turn your head to the left. Okay, to the right. And back to the left again. Okay, you feel that right there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so go face up, please. Okay, and lay face down again, please. All right, so let's recheck. Your leg was pulling short earlier, now they're balanced, but let's go ahead and recheck that. So turn your head to the left. Okay, still balanced. Turn your head to the right. Okay, still balanced, so looking good. Let's go down into the sacrum now. So this leg's pulling short now, left leg. Had a big guy on here just a minute ago, so let's adjust the tension. I think he weighs about 3 times as much as you do, Shelly. At least. Okay, so that's all balanced. All right, so without bending the leg, without bending your knee, lift this leg straight off the table as high as you can. Okay, and lower it. And now this leg. Okay, so this one looked a lot heavier to me, no? It was more difficult?
Yeah.
All right, so. Okay, lower this foot, please, and let's go ahead and retest that. So lift this leg up as high as you can. It's a lot better, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, lower it. Okay, take a deep breath in and breathe out. Perfect. Okay, you're all set, Shelly?
Yes.